everyone. Welcome to Frontend Developer in 6 months. My name is Mayowa, and last time I talked about what is programming, key features of programming, and also different types of programming languages. So today we'll be writing our first code, but before we write our first code, let us understand what coding is. So what is coding? That's the valid question we want to ask about today. So what is coding? Coding is the process of writing instructions in a programming language that a computer can understand and execute. Okay, so the process of now writing this programming language that we talked about is what we refer to as what as coding. You understand now? You see, programming language is just a formal system of communicating with the computer. This is how we talk to computer. This is how we give instruction to computer. Now, the process of now putting it down, typing it, writing it in order to give command to your system, to your computer is what we call coding. So each time we type those programming language in order to give instructions to our computer is what coding is. Said these instructions tell the computer how to perform specific task. Okay, so and that's basically what we want to do. We have some tasks to perform, we have some things to display, we have some information to process. So we are going to be typing in a programming language. There are different programming languages, so we are going to use the program language for this course. We are going to be typing them and then using it to give instructions to our computer. So coding is just the process of writing your programming language in order to give instructions to your computer. That's what coding is. So now the instructions we want to start giving to our computer is going to be written using what we call HTML, full meaning hypertext markup language. And now today let's look at basic structure of an HTML. Now what's the structure of an HTML? There's what we call syntax. Syntax represents the rules, ways to write instruction. You see, every language has its own rules. If you do not follow the rules of English language, you are going to fail. Okay, the same way with my own language, it has its own rules. So there are rules, there are structures, there are procedures to follow before we can write HTML. So HTML is the first language we'll be looking at in this series. Now, if you look at this structure, we are going to show you how you can get this structure on your code editor. So don't bother yourself, don't worry yourself. So what we'll be doing is we are going to explain this structure to you. We are going to explain it line by line, but this is just a basic HTML structure. You can see this doc type. What does this mean? We are going to talk about it. What does this mean? What is meta? What is character? This char set mean character set and UTF-8, Unicode 8. Now basically whatever everything we type, every human readable letters we type as is character set. Okay, so each time if I type S, there is a character set for it. Okay, so that character set is what the computer is going to that will be converted to machine language, and that's what computer we have to understand. Like 9, a 9 written number in human readable language, maybe if I type 9 now, so is this character set for 9 under Unicode is not the same thing. It's not the same thing as 9. I think it's around 30 something or so. I can't really remember. So now we are going to talk about all this. Then we have you have your title, you have this head. You are going to understand what's going on here. So I just want to show you. So I'm not going to go deeper now, but later you are going to understand all this. I think I'm going to stop here. I just want to show you the basic structure of HTML. So thank you and God bless you. See you in the next